Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching it. Alright, today I'm going to make a video about why you should not be buying presets. They are called presets because they are preset settings. That's called preset. It's very, very simple. For instance, if you go online, you see a lot of people that are now currently selling presets, especially photographers or influencers and blah blah blah. It's all over the internet, especially if you click on one of the links now, thanks to Facebook and Instagram, everyone will know that you are interested in presets, and now suddenly all your advertisement feed is covered with presets. And here are some reasons why you should not be buying presets. Number one is if you're a photographer, if you're truly a photographer, you should not be using presets. I feel like it's like cheating. It's almost like using a filter on your photo. You should be able to get to that point yourself. Number two is you will never be as precise with a preset as you will be by editing your photo yourself. For instance, you want a specific brightness, you want a specific saturation level, you will not be able to achieve that with a preset. Number three, why you should not be using presets is because you should be able to create those your own. If you're using presets, you have less control over your images, and I feel like it's a really easy way to cheat, and I'm not vibing with it. And why would you spend money on creating a filter on your Lightroom when you can just do it yourself? Duh. Do it yourself. Complete disclaimer, I do agree that presets save a lot of time for photographers and for models and for influencers. If you actually enjoy editing photos, you should enjoy editing your own photos that you took. Okay, thanks for watching.
Flowers today,